Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be taking a look at the large spice survival stash. Another spice stash or spice container. Nice rubber seal, nice lasp, stuck with a whole bunch of survival supplies. Let's get into it. Right here on top we have another sewing kit, or a thread. I know our needle is down here loose. For nutrients or boost we have some mustard. Here's our water containment bag. Just tied up a little trash tie there. For fire starting, we have a basic mini Bic lighter, orange. For cutting, we have our razor blade. Very basic, still works. Another way of fire starting, we have a ferrocerium rod, as well as a booklet of matches. For signaling, we just have a basic signal whistle or emergency whistle. For navigation, we have our button compass. And here's our needle for our sewing kit. And that's it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Love to hear from you guys. Thank you guys for watching the video and have a nice day.